So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I went from this atrocity, to looking like this. So in today's video, I wanted to do a full face of first impressions, meaning everything that I use on my face for my makeup was going to be new, something that I haven't tried before. Well, the Maybelline Superstay foundation, the new one, I tried. I look casket ready, casket sharp, and I swatched it on my chest and saw that it was light, but I still thought that it would oxidize a little bit, and then I could use some face powder and some setting spray and some bronzer and it will be fine. I could make it work because I've made lighter foundation work before. Well, with this one it was not the case at all. And I'm still there trying to convince myself that I'm going to make this foundation work. It's going to be good. I put on my Maybelline liquid lipstick and driver. I put on my Anastasia new bronzer in saddle. I also did the Maybelline Studio Tattoo eyebrow gel. That's also new, and I put that on, still trying to convince myself that this tutorial is gonna go on, the foundation is gonna oxidize and look a little bit better. Well, I was sadly mistaken. So now we're gonna get into the real portion of the tutorial where I actually use stuff that work for me, and then at the end of this video I'll tell you guys what I think about each new product. So see you then.
Sorry about this foundation is a hell no. A hell nah. Oh hell no. I look like I'm getting ready to be put in 6 feet deep. It's a no. My hard work now go to waste today. So let's start from the top, because my eyeshadow tutorial now go to waste like this. Let's start over. Stick to it, you know, people. If a foundation works good for you, stick to it. Stick to it. So I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover primer. I'm gonna moisturize my skin because I just wiped off my skin with about 5,000 wipes just to get this foundation off, and my skin is hella dry. And I'm gonna go in with the Strobe Hydrant Strobe Cream from MAC. The Too Faced is a oldie but a goodie. I've had that for a long time. So. Go in with my Mary Kay foundation. This matched me perfectly. I don't have to think about it at all. And this is in bronze 3. This is what I normally use. I don't know why I take up jumpiness. Go use that other foundation there. Mad people. Problems. I'm going to use the e.l.f. powder brush. I used to love these brushes, but I realized they're making them a little bit more flimsy nowadays. They used to be a lot more thicker. Well, the newer ones. are flimsy. The old ones used to be thick and nice. You can see, look at my foundation. Look at it compared to that. Oh, no man. What is not this? I just dotted on my face because I need a little bit more coverage. Now I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C12. This is new, but I don't think it's as bad as the foundation. It's very creamy. I like that. People are saying that it's a replacement for Shape Tape. It's a lot more creamy than Shape Tape. Shape Tape is a bit watery and drying because it dries down to a matte. This one is a lot more creamier than Shape Tape. On the forehead. Now that the foundation has been there for a while, I'm just gonna stipple it on for full coverage. Stipple, stipple, stipple. I'm gonna get this brush, and this is the Real Techniques contour brush. It's gonna go underneath my eye like that. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. I'm gonna use this and set my under eye. They say this is a dupe for the Ben 9 Banana Powder. I have dry skin, so I don't like using a lot of powders on my face, but it's very finely milled. I like it. It doesn't look drying on the skin like a lot of loose powders. Sometimes when I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, it's very drying. I kind of like this one better than the Laura Mercier one. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder in Matte Tan. I'm just gonna use it lightly. And this is a Real Techniques brush. Just to set my face slightly. I have dry skin, but I still like my makeup to last long. I have powder all over me. So I'm going to put on bronzer. I'm going to stick to what I know. I'm going to use this bronzer right here. And this is the True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is from Black Radiance. And it's in the light medium one. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild blush brush. And I'm going to use the contour one. the highlighter in Marmy, and I'm gonna highlight my nose. Boomy. Yeah. Just using the brush that I used to put my powder on, and just put it into the skin so it doesn't look like highlight is sitting on top of my cheek bones, but it's still booming. Okay, so the Superstay Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline is a no for me. I look casket ready in this, and that's just probably because it's matte and I didn't prep my face properly, and the one that I used was a bit too light. I should have mixed the golden caramel with the warm sun, but I wasn't thinking. So I'm gonna have to try this again, but I'm gonna have to try it off camera because I didn't want my tutorial to go to waste. So that's what I think about that. The Makeup Revolution Conceal and the Define, I really like this. This is gonna replace my Tarte Shape Tape. It's a lot cheaper and it do the same thing. The Makeup Revolution Banana Luxury Powder, I like this because it's finely milled. It's a banana color, but it's not too bright, it's not off-putting, and it isn't drying. So I like this also. Then this, the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Eyebrow Gel. This is like budge proof. I actually tried some on my hand the other day and this would not move for nothing at all. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Saddle. It's a really nice bronzer. It's a bit more neutral than I like. So I'm gonna show you this. It don't even show up on my skin. It looks ashy. I guess that's why I didn't like it. This is how it looks. I hope you guys can see it. It's right here. So probably in the winter time this will look nice on my skin tone, but it's a bit too neutral for my liking and my preference. I like a more warm tone bronzer, so I'll stick with my Black Radiance True Color Contour Kit. I'm gonna need a new one because I'm hitting pan. So yeah, this is really good. The Maybelline liquid lipstick, this is good. It's budge proof, it doesn't move. From what I've seen so far when I was taking it off to redo my makeup. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl Brains and the Beat here on YouTube, and comment in the comment section and tell me if you want to see more makeup videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.